Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to scan QR code from photo on iPhone. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Photos app and find the photo which has the QR code. Once you found it, you can find an icon on the bottom right of the image. This icon is what scans the QR code. So just press on it and it will immediately scan the QR code. And after doing so, just press the QR code and you can find a few options here. You can open it using Safari, or you can also just copy the link if you want to use a different browser or use the link for different purposes. What I'm going to do is open it using Safari. So I'll just press this and it will immediately send me to Safari. Now I'm already here. That's pretty much it. If you find this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.